Behind George Washington stood Billy Lee, loyal aide, trusted companion, and witness to the Revolution's hardest moments. Who was the man beside the general, and how did he shape the fight for independence? Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Billy Lee was a slave of George Washington, yet he became one of the most constant figures at Washington's side. Born into slavery at Mount Vernon, Billy Lee was trained as a valet, responsible for Washington's clothing, equipment, travel, and daily routine. When war came, Lee went with him, one of the few enslaved men allowed to accompany Washington throughout the Revolutionary War. Lee rode beside Washington, tended his horses, cared for his gear, and witnessed the war up close, from defeats to victory. Washington trusted Lee deeply, relying on him daily. Yet that trust existed within slavery, a contradiction at the heart of the American founding. Lee suffered severe knee injuries, leaving him partially disabled. After the war, his role shifted, but his presence remained constant. In his will, Washington freed Billy Lee outright, granting him a pension, clothing, and the right to remain at Mount Vernon as a free man. Billy Lee's life reminds us the Revolution was fought for liberty, while denying it to many. His story forces us to see the full truth of the past as well as his contributions to the cause of freedom and victory.